Oran Z keeps it surreal, art appreciation course. With an Afrocentric Viewpoint Book 7. By Oran Belgrave, author. Oran Z had always been fascinated by the world of Surrealism. From a young age, he was drawn to the works of artists like Salvador Dali, René Magritte, and Max Ernst. And now, as a successful African-American artist in his own right, Oran was ready to share his passion for Surrealism with the world once again. His second book, entitled Oran Z Keeps It Surreal, was a follow-up to his critically acclaimed debut, called Oran Z Acts to Surrealism. In this new book, Oran delved even deeper into the world of Surrealism, exploring its history, its techniques, and its impact on contemporary art. But Oran didn't stop there. He also included interviews with other artists who had been influenced by Surrealism, both in the past and in the present. From legendary figures like Jean-Michel Basquiat and Ringgold to up-and-coming artists like Kerry, James Marshall and Mickalene, Oran's book provided a comprehensive look at the enduring influence of Surrealism on African-American art. And the response to Oran's new book was overwhelming. Critics praised his writing for its clarity and insight, while art lovers hailed his ability to bridge the gap between the historical and the contemporary. Oran's book quickly became a must-see for anyone interested in the intersection of Surrealism and African-American art. But Oran didn't rest on his laurels. Even as he promoted his book and basked in the glow of its success, he continued to experiment with new techniques and explore new ideas. And before long, he was already hard at work on his third book, pushing the boundaries of Surrealism and African-American art even further. For Oran Z, the journey was never over. There was always more to discover, more to learn, and more to create. And as long as he kept it surreal, he knew that his art would continue to inspire and challenge the world for years to come. You dig?